Hi, welcome to another episode of Debtors' Rights. And so today we're going to talk about what you can file if you cannot afford the filing fees. You're going to see what that document looks like today. It's called the Uniform Civil Affidavit of Indigency. Basically, this one can be used in any county within Tennessee. To the left, you want to write in your court date, the county, the city. On the other side of where it reads the Uniform Civil Affidavit of Indigency, you want to write in the case number. You see verses. To the left of verses, you want to write in the creditor's name, the creditor plaintiff's name. Then on the other side of the verses, you want to write in your name, which is the debtor defendant. And where it reads, I blank having been duly sworn according, I would be I, whatever your name is will go in that blank. Then you would just complete this document as thoroughly as possible. Write your full name, telephone number, list all your dependents, your address, date of birth, who your employer is. If you're on SSI, list that, retirement, disability, your sources of income should be in the next spot. And then in the next blank, number 9, it talks about all your expenses, your gas bill, your water bill, your electric bill, transportation expenses, and all of that. And then in the next blank, number 10, it talks about your assets, your automobile, checking account, savings account, bank accounts. You want to list all of that information out. And if you can, it's good to attach supporting documents. And if you do attach supporting documents and your account number is showing, I would white that out. I would white out personal information because sometimes these documents could end up being filed and becoming part of the public record. You don't want everybody having your account information or your social. So if your social appears, white that out as well too. Oh, let's go. Let me go back. So on that other page too, when you look at that, this will have to be signed in front of a notary. So sometimes, like I've said earlier, some of my other presentations, is that sometimes notaries charge fees. So if you go to the courthouse and let the clerk sign it, there isn't a fee for that. So you can sign it in front of the clerk at the courthouse. And so this page here is what the judge completes. And just know if the judge denies your request, because what usually happens is you'll fill this out and then the clerk may run it to the judge and the judge could grant or deny it. Now, if they deny the request, you could ask for a hearing before the judge to get a reason why it was denied. That way you better understand the basis for it's denied. So don't be afraid to go before the judge to figure out if it is denied, why was it denied? Okay, this is what the form looks like if you're in Davidson County. The first form that you saw is one that you can use in any county. This form here is specific to Davidson County, Tennessee. Very similar. So where plaintiff and petitioner, where creditor goes there, defendant and respondent is where your name would go. Case number, file number, docket number is all the same. It would go where it reads case number. I, having been duly sworn, your name will go there. Again, list out your full name, address, telephone number, list all your dependents. You just basically answering every question on this form. And again, attach supporting documents. If you do attach those supporting documents, again, white out your social security information, account information, because sometimes these documents are filed and you do not want this to end up in the public record. This is the second page of that. Again, listing out your expenses, your groceries, electricity, your gas bill, your water bill, your assets. Again, attach proof. The more proof you attach, the better, I think, because it supports your position. But just remember to redact and just to write it out. Remove your personal information. And do not be afraid to attach additional sheets of paper to these documents if you need it. Let's say they don't list as much for other expenses you may have, but if you have other expenses you may owe other creditors, don't be afraid to get another sheet of paper and just write out the creditor that you owe, and no matter how many creditors that you owe, and attach proof that you owe those creditors as well too. This will have to be signed in front of a notary or a clerk. Again, notaries are charging fees sometimes to sign these documents, and if you don't want to pay that fee, then just go to the courthouse and let the clerk sign it, because you're going to have to file it at the courthouse anyway. So to get this affidavit of indigency, just click the link in the description. So Just know this, that no attorney-client relationship was formed by watching this video. This is general information. I am getting the word out. My name is Gina Crawley. I'm an attorney out of Nashville, Tennessee. And so just thank you so much for watching. So just like, subscribe, comment, tell others about this Affidavit of Indigency, if I can pronounce it, Affidavit of Indigency. Tell others about it. Spread the word around. Just share this, please. And just thanks for watching, and please leave comments. Thank you.